Hi, this is Nathan Tintle. In this Learning Goal video, we will talk about the concept of residuals using the dinner plate sizes dataset. On this scatter plot, we've drawn the best fit line in red. We've also drawn a red line from each dot, each observational unit, and the line. That distance between the dot and the line is called the residual. To find the value of a residual, you find the predicted value of the response variable for a particular observation, and you subtract the predicted value from the observed value. Let's look at an example. There is a plate in this data set that was manufactured in 1950 and is 10 inches in diameter. The predicted diameter we can find by plugging 1950 into the regression equation, giving a predicted diameter of 10.16 inches. So the residual is the difference between the actual plate size, 10 inches, and the predicted plate size, 10.16 inches. You subtract those numbers, you get negative 0.16 inches. That's the residual. We show that on the scatter plot right there in the bottom left. A couple of words of caution. Typically, we subtract the observed value of the response variable minus the predicted value of the response variable. When you subtract in this order, a negative value means that the point is below the line, and a positive value means that the point is above the line. Second, residuals can only be computed for particular observational units. That is, we can only compute a residual for the specific plate that was manufactured in 1950. It doesn't make sense to compute residuals at values you haven't observed in the data set, though you can make predictions at those values.